Hi all, welcome back to the WP guide, the WordPress guide. It's David here from sunny Brighton in the UK, and it's a glorious day outside, September. So I just wanted to make you a quick video, a couple of editors I wanted to show you, image editors, and also some news I want to tell you about at the end of the video. So first of all, I'm going to show you these image editors. They're both free. Okay, one of them you need to have WordPress installed. The other one is free and you don't need to do anything. I want to cover editing images because I get quite a few emails about people resizing, what tools I use and how can I quickly do it. And also I get sent quite a lot of images from people and I need to either quickly resize them or turn them to black and white or something like that. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways you can do it. The first way is here directly in WordPress. This is WordPress's image editor. So I'm into the media library, so on the left, media library, and I've selected this image. And you see this option here, edit image. So I click on that. Now with the WordPress editor, it's neat because I can just quickly crop and scale down an image. So let's say I wanted to just select this image and actually take it down even smaller. I could crop a certain part. We've got four options across the top. We've got crop, rotate, that's for clockwise and counterclockwise, and we've got flip vertically and flip horizontally. I just use the crop one most because I need to resize or sort of cut out piece of an image. So if I uploaded this image and I wanted to take out just a certain part, I would click on this icon here. Okay, click on it once, and then I'm going to click on the image and hold the mouse, the left mouse. I'm going to hold it down. I'm going to drag. Okay, so click. You see it went sort of grey there, the image, and I'm dragging. You see this box appears, and you see I can choose the area. Then I let go once I get to the certain size, and this, you see this cross icon appears, and I can move this around. Okay, easy stuff. I can also go to these little pointers in the corner, and I can sort of stretch it out a bit to my chosen size. Okay, and then I just go back to the crop and I click crop and it does its magic. Okay, and that's real easy stuff. You can see it's not a great resolution size for this image, and it's not the clearest image anyway, but you can just see how easy that was. And then I've got this undo button. If I didn't like that, I could undo it and I could have another go. Crop, drag, and I could choose something like that. Okay, so this is real easy stuff. This is all built directly in WordPress. Obviously you need to have WordPress installed. We can tell you how to get that done at the end of this video, but at this, just generally this is just an editor. It's free, it's built in. I cover this in my WordPress DVD just to show people the quick ways of using it. I'm going to show you the other free tool I use. So that's WordPress. That's WordPress's image editor. The other one is called Picasa. Now you've probably heard of it. It's part of Google. You need a Google account. If you don't have one, go and set one up. Once you log into your Google account, if you're on the home page, you'll probably see a bar at the top like this, and it might have photos in it. It might save photos as one of the links. But if I click on the more, and I've got photos there. Okay. Now if I click on photos, I'm taken to a page that looks like this. This is Picasa. It doesn't look exactly like this. Sorry, I've clicked the upload button to get to this page, but this is Picasa. Okay, so Picasa is a photo gallery platform which Google own, and it's part of their array of products that Google have. Now inside Picasa is another little tool called Picnic, and that allows you to edit images. Okay, some of you may have heard of this, some of you may not, but I'm going to show you just quickly. I mean, you can resize and modify images in a matter of clicks. This is real easy stuff. Okay, so I've chosen upload here. Now I can choose to select the image from my computer, or I can just do this here and I can click and drag, because it says drag photos here. So I've got my photo ready. I'm just going to click on it and drag, and you see this little blue border appears round as I ready. So it means I can drop the image here. Okay, so Picasa does its stuff, pulls the image in, and then on the bottom right I've got an OK button, so I'll click OK. So I've dragged the image in. What it's doing, it's now bringing the image in and it's creating a new album for me within my web albums on Picasa. Okay, so I just let it do its stuff. and here's the image. Okay, and I can just click on the image and you'll see it, there it is, and that's the image we just uploaded. So all real easy stuff now. Above here we've got an icon called, this little image you can see, it's like the cloud and the hills, and it says edit. Now this takes me into Picnic, so all I do is click edit and it opens up. This is all within the browser. I'm using Chrome here. This all works directly in the browser. I've not downloaded any software, and again I could be anywhere in the world doing this right now, you know, so I don't need any tools. This is all online. As long as I've got internet connection I can use this. So the image loads up into Picnic and you'll see it here. And I won't go into all these different features and effects and all the different frames you can add, and you can just, you know, you can tweak all your family photos, you can do funny things to images. I mean, it's a great little tool to have fun with, but I'm going to use it for the business side of things when I need to resize and add a couple of effects. So let's firstly choose crop, click on this crop link here, you see it appears. I could say, right, I want to take this part here, and I click apply, that's crop the image down, and then I click resize on the left, and I'm just going to type in 450. There you go, I've resized the image, and that's it done. I could then save the image into my album, and I've resized. I mean, that's how quick you can do that. And then let's say I didn't actually like this area, let's say I want to undo that, and then I'll undo also my first crop. So I've undone everything. Now let's say I want to actually pick a better area, so let's resize this first, and this time we'll choose about 400. Okay, and we'll apply, so we're resizing it first. We do have a zoom down the bottom. We can drag a little bar, or we can use the roller mouse on the roller ball to zoom in and out. Okay, but I'm going to leave it as it is. I'll choose crop, and then again I can drag these little bits, or I can pick up the whole thing and move it around. Let's say I wanted to take this like that. Let's get that bottom leaf. Okay, there we go. Let's just take that corner leaf there, and then we just click apply. Okay, now that's easy stuff. You can see how easy I've taken the image into Picasa, Picasa, edited it in Picnic, resized, cropped it. I click save to album up here, and I click save as a new copy, so that means I can keep my original one in case I want to come back to it and work on it, right? So save new copy, just let Picnic do its stuff. It's going to take this image and put it back into my album where we were before in Picasa. Okay, so just let it finish loading here. And there you have it. There's the image we just cropped and resized. I can click on this link, takes me back to the album. You see I've got my original image and I've got my resized one. Okay, now this is really easy stuff. I mean, everyone can do this. We can click on the image, we can go back and edit it, and let's say we just wanted it to be black and white. Let's let Picnic load up. Okay, we can apply effect. Let's choose black and white. Just use the default settings, and now it's black and white. And again, I can save to album, save as a new copy. So the reason I use these tools is because I get sent a lot of images, and some of them are huge. I mean, like it's like the person's just got a new camera and they've put it on the full size setting to get the best resolution, and they take pictures of things they want on websites, or they've even tried to put it on a website as that size, and they're just massive, and they need to be scaled down so they load quicker on the web page, and just you can upload them and they just view much easier in the browser. So you can see that's how easy I do it. I just bring them into Picasa, and then edit them in Picnic. Okay, so you see, look, I've got 3 images. Now that's how easy it is. There's no excuse for anyone to not be able to say I can't resize an image. Not now anyway. You've watched this video and I've just shown you how to resize an image and even crop and take out certain parts. So this is easy stuff. So they're my 2 editors. Both of them are free. Obviously you need WordPress to use the first one, and Picasa is free, so you can use this. It's worth just having a play around with Picnic. Go and upload some images and play around. You can put hats on things, and you can just do funny things to people's images. Really, so it's a great little tool. Now, I did say at the start of this video we had some news at the end, and also mentioned about WordPress. If people haven't got WordPress and how you use it, we are running a workshop on the 8th of October, myself and Nick James. Now if you go to this website, it's called wordpressmastery.co.uk, and myself and Nick, we are running a workshop, and we're going to be teaching you all the basics from WordPress from the start right the way through, from getting it online, how you can use it, for your affiliate sites, for your business websites, even just for one-page landing pages. We're going to be covering the ins and outs of everything, okay? I get asked a lot of questions, and I see WordPress being used a lot by people, and that's why I originally set up my basic sort of WordPress training DVD for beginners. So we really just, this workshop is hands-on stuff. I'll be teaching you, you'll be watching me using my computer on the screen. You can bring along your laptops if you want, and you can copy what I do. But I'm going to be running through everything, that, how I use WordPress, the plugins I use, and some real cool little tricks how you can just apply it to your business or your website or however you use it. One of the beauties obviously with WordPress is you can use it as a for a small business website. If someone had a law firm and they wanted a website up, you could use WordPress as the backbone of that. If you had a small salon, if your friend had a hairdressing company, something like that, it can be used for so many different things, and that's why we're showing people across the board. We can use it for marketing, sales pages, squeeze pages, business websites, even just using it as a blog, so you can update and have a little diary running online. Okay, so if you want to read more about it and get your tickets, the reason I'm sending this to you now is because you want to get a ticket before the 20th of September when the price goes up, right? So WordPress Mastery, you can have a look on this page. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see some of the stuff I'm going to be covering. I'm going to try and give you all the good things I know about it. Things like how you can use it for affiliate sites if you do that. If you run affiliate sites, the best plugins that I see, some of the rules you want to stick to make sure you're safe, to make sure your site is legitimate and these search engines actually like you, and sort of the ethical way to have an affiliate site, not like some of the stuff out there. We're going to be covering plugins, how you can build squeeze pages, how you can run automated backups, just all this kind of stuff, how you can edit themes, little tools that I use for even making quick changes to themes and stuff. It's going to be a good day. We've done a couple of these workshops with Nick in Reading, and they were quite small. This is a much larger event. The ones we've done before were pretty small and hands-on, and I think the feedback has been great. So go to this page, have a read, and get your ticket as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching my videos. I'll be putting more up onto the WordPress site. Got loads of new videos coming as obviously WordPress is updated since my DVD came out, so we've got lots of new stuff coming. But one thing, if you take away anything from this video, please do not have an excuse for resizing images anymore. I've just shown you two tools, and one of them being free from Google, Picasa. It's free. You can resize and edit images. There's no excuse to do this anymore. If someone sends you an image saying how can I resize it, you can give them this video and tell them to watch News Picnic. Okay, right, enjoy the rest of your week, and hope to see you very soon. It's October the 8th, the event, so like I say, get your tickets in early and we'll see you then.